Say hello to Harry, a new kit for MODO. Harry contains over a dozen new channel modifiers and assemblies designed to help you manipulate arrays. In MODO, arrays can contain all kinds of data, including strings, numbers, vectors, matrices, or indeed more arrays. Harry's Array Print modifier converts arrays into human-readable strings, an invaluable tool when debugging your rigs. Use the Array Flatten and Unflatten modifiers with an array operator to iterate over nested arrays. Version 1.3 of Harry introduces a completely flexible array sort modifier, which can be used to reorder your arrays according to your own criteria. Harry also includes modifiers to repeat, reverse, reorder, splice, interleave, zip, and slice arrays. The Harry Kit for MODO is available from Gumroad for $5. See the video description for more details.